Hello everyone, this is beautiful shawl knitting pattern, multiple of 2 stitches, this one 20 stitches and 2 stitches on the edge stitches, and this is very easy for the beginners. Just have a look. I just knitted some rows, but I will show you now. First row, number 1, first one slip on, and then leave the first stitch, bring the second stitch on the top of that one, and then put back and then knit, then knit the second stitch. This is the only pattern and we will keep on repeating. Leave the first stitch, pick up the second stitch on the top of the first one, and then put back and then knit, and then knit the second one. Again same pattern, pick up the last stitch, put back, knit, and knit the second one. So we will keep on doing like that. Second stitch like that, put back and then knit, and I will finish the whole row like that. And this pattern is so. Second row, have a look now. All stitches purl stitches, but we will wrap around the needle yarn 2 times, 2 times, and purl stitch. So, sorry, 2 times. Every time knit the stitch with yarn around the needle 1 2 2 times. And I finish the whole row like that. Third row, now you can see all the stitches are with the double yarn. Third row, first one just slip on, second one, then this time I will leave the 2 stitches, second one just knit and open the stitch like that. Now the pattern, this one open like that, and this one the pattern again. Second stitch, pick up the second stitch, bring here and then put back and knit. So, and then knit the first stitch, double yarn here, and then drop all the yarn. Then again pick up the last stitch from the top of the front one. Pattern is the same as we did in the first row, and second stitch going on the top of the one, and then knit, and then knit the last second one. So we keep on going like that, and the pattern is becoming like that. So beautiful, this one for the shawl. And I will finish in this row, third row. In the end we have 2 last stitches, just simple knit, and now the fourth row is very simple. We will purl all the stitches. Fourth row, all the purl stitches, all the purl stitches, very easy. I will finish the whole row like that. Fourth row finish, and now we will repeat the row number 1. So this is only 4 row repeat pattern, and we will start from the first row again. 1 slip on edge stitch, no knit, and then we pick up the second stitch on the top of the that stitch and knit, and knit the second stitch. See here, this one going on the top of that one, and then put back and knit, and this one, see here. And so beautiful this pattern, you can put on the best, but this one is very nice on the shawl, looks very nice on the shawl. I will finish this row and I show you how this one is looking. See here, this pattern is so beautiful looking. You can use on the shawl knitting, so beautiful. Thanks for watching.